धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करने के लिए हम स्वामी देवकांतानंद जी महाराज से अनुरोध करते हैं।
ओम स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतार वरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः. By the grace of God, by the grace of Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Ma Sarada Devi and Swami Vivekananda Ji Maharaj, by their divine unconditional grace, their kindness and compassion, we are what we are and what we are able to do, even a little. By their grace and kindness, we would not succeed even a small endeavor and undertaking of ours. So our always ever gratitude, this remembrance and prayer at the feet of Holy Trio. My devoted pranams at the feet of most revered Srimad Swami Vimalatmananji Maharaj, Vice President of Global Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission and Adhyaksha of Ramakrishna Math Kakudugachi Yogodhyan, Kolkata. Revered Maharaj accepted our invitation and stay in our ashram for this long, almost 12 days, and also consented to be the part of our annual celebration of birth anniversaries of Thakur Mayan Swamiji. Revered Maharaj, our gratitude and our grateful pranam at your feet. Maharajji gave us a very succinct, very lucid overview and journey of extraordinary life and character of Sri Ramakrishna. My pranam at the feet of revered Maharaj. My most respectful pranams at the feet of revered Swami Vishnu Padanand Ji Maharaj, Secretary, Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, and also the President of Ramakrishna Vivekananda Maharashtra Bhavapachar Parishad. Revered Maharaj gave a very lucid enunciation on, exposition on Sri Ramakrishna as the personified embodiment of Sanatana Dharma. These expositions are very important for us, especially in today's context, as many times these words are understood one way or other. Sometimes people think this Ramakrishna order is something not like Hindu proper, or sometimes Sanatana, this term whenever it comes, people comes to think of that it is probably right-wing activist group, something troublemakers in the society. That is not true. So when understood, and Maharaj's quotations, citations from the Vacharamrut, the gospel, they were very helpful to see very particularly where these terms were used and how appropriate we are in the tradition of the same rishis. My most respectful pranams at the feet of revered Maharaj. My pranams at the feet of revered Swami Atma Shraddhananji Maharaj for his welcome address and a lucid elaboration on how we can take Sri Ramakrishna and make him a part of our everyday life. Revered Maharaj has taken the charge of our Mumbai Ashrama, you all as well know. And he will be us, his guiding, and his lucid talks will be for us, the devotees, a regular occurrence now. And soon, as Maharaj has expressed, our weekly talks also will resume. My again respectful pranams at the feet of revered Maharaj. My also respectful namaskar to our devotee, Sri Sanjay Bhattacharya ji. In the present time of turbulence, what could be the mitigation plan, as he pointed out, that is presented in a 4-point solution. Thank you, Sri Sanjay Bhattacharya ji, accepting our invitation and presenting it in a very nice way, in a very contextual way. My respectful namaskar and gratitude to revered Swamis, Swami Aparokshananda ji, Swami Kalyanatmananda ji, Swami Devaswarupananda ji, Swami Diveshananda ji, for presenting the opening song and this Sri Ramakrishna Nama Sankirtanam, as well as Sri Shalat Kilpadi ji for accompanying them on tabla. My gratitude to revered Swamis who are present in the hall from Goa to Gondia, that's why we say. You see, Goa is Maharashtra Goa, that's why from Goa, and Gondia is the another end. The Swamis accepted our invitation and for 10 days, and how difficult these things are to accept such invitation and be at certain place, not being in their own centers, it is very difficult. But we are very grateful on the behalf of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. We offer, I extend my Bhaktipurna Pranam at their feet, being a part of our celebration. Revered Swami Tattvarupananji, Revered Swami Buddharupananji, Revered Swami Chetanatmananji, and Revered Swami Aryanandaji. My respectful pranams and namaskars to all of you devotees. And I mostly see the ladies, mothers, and our gents may be having their working days. I hope tomorrow seats will be filled, and the day after tomorrow the hall should be occupied. So please convey to your people, devotees who are in your groups, WhatsApp, use it extensively, ask them, otherwise your membership will be cancelled. And we have arranged snacks, so please enjoy them. Again with remembering Thakur Mahaswamiji, offering our bhakti at their feet, we close the day for today. After this, we have evening arti. After evening arti, we have pranam of Revered Maharaj as our visitors halls. Please join. Thank you very much.